Man, it's barely 8 and it's already hot. Miserably hot and humid. I think these are them marshmallows, or swamp hibiscus, or whatever you'd call it. Get them big white flowers with the red centers. They're edible. But yeah, they get all out in the marsh. They'll just look like stars in the sky. That's pretty cool, whatever it is. A couple of them. Whatever it is. Looks like they just mowed this, which is unfortunate because there was a whole bunch of milkweed in here. Host plant for monarchs. So, I mean, there's still a bunch out here, but it's just in the areas where they can't mow, like behind the guardrails and whatnot. Yeah, that's about it. These are pretty, whatever they are. That's about it.